Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today what I want to do is I want to take you guys on a little drive, let you guys hear the supercharger whine with the new intake, and then maybe we'll see how traffic is out there, and we'll give it some power and see how it does. So it's just gonna be basically a driving video. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so we're gonna get up on this road right now. Hopefully traffic is not too crazy. So let's give this room to move around. So let's see here. Take a peek. Quick little hit right there. So this is how it sounds right now. Let's bring it down a gear, and then this is what it sounds normal cruising, just comfortable, regular. If I give it a little gas, you do hear that supercharger, hear a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. How's the supercharger sound? I don't know if you guys saw previous videos and maybe or even heard the car before, but I don't know, to me. And that's with the windows up. So let's hear it with the windows down, see if there's a you can hear it. Sounds really good. Hopefully up here we'll make some business decisions and see whether to go straight or right. Hopefully, maybe if these guys go right, I'll go straight, or if they go straight, I'll go right. Let's see. Hopefully they don't split. So let's see what we do here. One went straight, and we'll go straight. And I'm out today because it's supposed to be, well, it was raining all this morning, and it's gonna rain the rest of this afternoon, and it's gonna rain the rest of the week. So I'm out here enjoying a little bit of dryness and sunlight for a couple hours, because it's supposed to rain later this evening. So does have a lot of pull. I don't know if the camera's pulling my head back, but yeah, you can hear that intake wanting to suck in that air. Going to a nice little area, has some water and stuff, nice little view. So we'll go out here Maybe drive right around there real quick, make a U-turn, come back. This guy is hugging the brakes going down the hill. Wow. Some construction down here. You know what? I want to take you guys down just so you guys can see the water real quick, and then we'll go ahead and I'll turn around. I was gonna just turn in that little neighborhood there and make a U-turn, but let's see if we get some scenery. And it looks like there's a bunch of traffic, so let's just maybe another day. Let's go in here and turn around. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I like to drive it in manual mode with the paddle shifters. I don't know, I like to feel like I control the car. So that's how I usually drive it. We're gonna wait till we get out of this area. Maybe going up this nice hill. Never know who's on the other side. Press that brake real quick. So right now, all I have was the exhaust is completely stock. I got the carbon tips, which made it deeper, but it's more deeper while it's at idle. I don't know if it's any deeper, like maybe revving it, maybe slightly, but I know in cabin right now, it's not as deep. No difference. Hold on real quick. Let's take this curve. And yeah, there's really no difference. So I do have something I'm gonna do that I've thought long and hard about, whether or not I wanted to get a full exhaust, spend all that money on a full exhaust, or if I wanted to do mid muffler delete, or if I wanted to just change the mid mufflers to different, maybe high flowing, louder bullet style mufflers. So I've narrowed that down. I actually have the part on order, should be here probably this week. So once I get that in, I'll take it to the exhaust shop. I thought about doing it myself, but it's not one of those like clamp ones. It's better if you just weld it on. So I know I went through a pain in the ass trying to cut my the one I had from my Mustang off, but that one was just clamped on. So this one is better if you weld it on. So I'm actually going to take it to an exhaust shop, get it welded on, and then go from there, so I can increase, you know, some of this exhaust sound. Because right now the supercharger whine, I love it, but it's the only thing you really hear. It takes over the sound of the vehicle. So it doesn't look like I'm going to get a lot more clear road up ahead for a while with all this traffic. So I'm going to end the video here. I just wanted you guys to hear the supercharger whine with the leg maker intake. And with that being said, stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed. Out.